I am discussing about the slope intercept form of the straight line. So before starting this one, first we must know what is the intercept. So intercept is slope intercept form. So first we must know the what is intercept. So that is intercept is the distances on the x and y axis, that is if a straight line cuts the coordinate axis, if the straight line cuts the coordinate axis at a and this is b, so therefore this distance is known as OA is known as the x-intercept, and OB is known as y-intercept. So OA x-intercept, OB y-intercept, that is the distances on coordinate axis that is made by a straight line. If straight line cuts the x-axis or if the straight line cuts the coordinate axis, then OA and OB are known as x-intercept and y-intercept respectively. So here OA is x-intercept, OB is y-intercept. The coordinates of A are, so that is x comma 0. Coordinates of B are 0 comma y. So there is x distance, there is no y distance here, therefore y is 0. Here for x equal to 0, y is equal to, so the distance is equal to, that is 0 comma y. The point is 0 comma y, the point is x comma 0. To find the slope intercept form, so if slope is known and intercept is known, slope and intercept is known, then to find the equation of the straight line. So consider the coordinate axis. The line makes, that is the line makes an y-intercept. So let us call this is equal to C. So therefore this point is 0 comma C. The straight line cuts the y-axis at A and whose slope is equal to m. If the straight line cuts the y-axis at A at a distance C, then slope is m. Let p x comma y be any point. Let p x comma y be any point. Then using 2-point formula, using points P and A, 2-point form. Of slope. Therefore, this becomes y minus y1, y minus y1, y minus c, x minus x1, x minus 0. This is given the slope that is equal to m. The slope of this one is given by m equal to y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. Therefore, y minus c equal to mx. Therefore, y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c is known as the slope intercept form of a line. So if this straight line cuts the y-axis, that is if intercept is small, if intercept is decreasing, so that is when c equal to 0, the same straight line passes through the origin when c equal to 0. If intercept is 0, then this straight line passes through origin. So therefore note here the equation of the form y equal to mx plus c when c equal to 0. When c equal to 0, this becomes y equal to mx. So therefore y equal to mx, the lines always passes through origin. So if c is 0, the lines, so these lines passes through origin. So in all these cases only slope is different, but the intercept is 0. Therefore all these lines passes through origin. So therefore the lines passes through origin. The lines passes through origin. Find the equation of a line which makes an intercept 3 and slope is 2. So slope is given, intercept is given. So here slope m equal to 2, intercept c equal to 3. Therefore slope is given, intercept is given. So therefore slope intercept form of a line is y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. Therefore y equal to m is here 2, x plus c is here 3. Therefore 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0 is the equation of the line. Find the equation of a line which makes an intercept 3 and makes an angle 30 degree with x-axis. So here given is intercept c equal to 3 and an angle is given here theta equal to 30 degree. Therefore m slope equal to tan theta, that is tan 30 degree. Therefore it is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. So here intercept is known, slope is known. So therefore slope intercept of a line is, slope is known, that is 1 by root 3, intercept is known, that is 3. Therefore y equal to mx plus c. Therefore y equal to 1 by root 3 x plus c is here 3. So take the LCM here. So therefore 1 by root 3 x plus 3. So take the LCM here. Y equal to x plus 3 root 3 divided by this root 3. Therefore take cross multiply, root 3 y equal to x plus 3 root 3. Therefore send this to RHS, x minus root 3 y plus 3 root 3 equal to 0. X minus root 3y plus 3 root 3 equal to 0 is the equation of the line. So just to recap this, slope intercept form of the line is y equal to mx plus c. M is the slope, c is the y-intercept, and if c is 0, if c equal to 0, this equation becomes y equal to mx. The equations of this form always passes through origin. So, if equations of line passes through origin, then the line makes intercept 0. So, remember these two equations. Yes, remember these two, y equal to mx plus c and y equal to mx. These kind of equations always passes through origin.